Hi everybody, Mr. Will here. Over the last few months, we've all been really disappointed that we haven't been able to share a lot of our fun programs with you. We've been able to do some story times online, but things like Imagination Inc. and Discovery Brigade have not been able to happen. Thankfully, we've figured out a way that we can do those fun things safely and with your family at home. Introducing our Adventure Kits. These are going to be pre-packaged bags that have a different theme, and you're going to go home and you're going to be able to learn some stuff, make some fun things, and then interact with us online through your computer, tablet, or however you're accessing this video. The first Adventure Kit is going to be available on June 15th. What will happen is that you'll go online and you'll sign up for it just like you would any other program like you've done in the past. The pickup days that you can come and get these are going to be on June 22nd, it's a Monday, and June 24th, that Wednesday. You'll sign up just like you would for picking up holds and items like you have the last few weeks. But instead of picking up books, you'll be able to pick up a pre-packaged bag with some fun activities for you. Now, I'm not going to tell you what's in that first kit. It's going to be in our little reveal video next week, but we're really excited about it. So, on the same day that you can sign up for summer reading, you can also sign up for your Adventure Kit pickup. Look for an explanation of what that kit is a little later in the week. And if you have any questions, feel free to call us, shoot us an email, any way that you want to communicate, we're here for you guys. I'm really excited about these Adventure Kits. I hope you guys are too. I think they're going to be really fun. Hope you guys have a good day, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.